What if I told you that an ancient Greek explorer had reached the Arctic Circle not in the Middle Ages, but 1200 years before the Vikings ever set sail? His name was Pytheas, and his journey and what he explored should be as famous as Marco Polo, but very few people know about him today. Pytheas came from Massalia, aka Marseille, a city that was established and built by Phocaean sailors, aka ancient Greeks, a place of astronomers, mathematicians, merchants, and sailors. Around 330 BC, when most people thought that the known world ended just past Spain, Pytheas decided to test the edges of the maps himself. He sailed past the Pillars of Heracles, past the port of Cadiz, and into the roaring Atlantic. Nobody from the Mediterranean had ever gone this far north. But Pytheas wasn't just sailing, he was also measuring the world. He became one of the first humans to calculate latitude accurately. Learning about amber roots and Celtic tribes, barley beer, and tides that were so strong that they shocked him. Where the sun never sets in the summer, the oceans turned into a thick icy sludge, and daylight lasted nearly 24 hours. Modern scholars think this was Norway, maybe even Iceland. And for the Greeks, it sounded like science fiction. Pytheas then explored the Baltic waters, learning about amber roots and distant tribes that were living along northern Europe's rim. He was the first Mediterranean scientist to describe the polar ice. And yes, he survived. He returned back to modern-day France, Marseille, Massalia, and he proceeded to write a book called On the Ocean. He shocked the ancient world so much that many people refused to believe him. Pytheas didn't just explore, he expanded the known world of the time. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you again on the next one. Assalamu alaikum.